All right, everyone. Well, long time no see, but as is tradition, we are about to roll a major milestone in my 2008 Acura TL. I have made previous videos before. If you guys have been with the channel long enough, I owned a 2000 Acura TL that I rolled 150,000 in. And I also owned a 2013 Honda Accord V6 that I rolled 100,000 miles in. The first Acura did not make it to 200. My Accord did not make it to 150 under my ownership. So this is the first time I've put 200,000 miles or reached 200,000 miles on a car. You can see we are at 199,998. And let's go. Turn that air down a little bit. So if you guys have been with the channel long enough, you'll know that I bought this car in February of 2021 with 106,000 miles on it. It was about 106,435 or something like that. And so, yes, it's been about 94,000 miles, give or take. And it's been mostly trouble-free. The car has been across the country twice. I moved out to Arizona with it, and I moved back to Massachusetts with it. So it's seen about 30 somewhat states or so. It has seen both coasts, so that's pretty cool. And in regards to what the future holds, I'm not really sure. I'm at least going to try to keep the car through the end of the year here in 2024. At which point it'll probably be at about 210-ish, give or take, if I keep at the same pace that I've been on. But of course, it's not guaranteed. But we shall see what the future holds. Looks like we're gonna get on to Route 3A before we roll here, so that's a good thing, I would say. And there we go, 200,000 miles. Look at that.